Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel, The Italian Guy. My name is Giuseppe, for those of you who still do not know my name. And today I have a nice recipe of a famous Italian ice cream named cremino. This one I've been eating because it's really delicious. And also in the video you will find the recipe of the keto condensed milk. Let's move along. So let's start our keto condensed milk recipe first. We put in a pot 240 milliliters of double heavy cream for the Americans. Here in the UK it's double cream. And I have to tell you that you need a little bit of patience in making this recipe, this condensed milk. It took me 30 minutes to have the milk, the double cream getting thickened. Basically, you have to stir continuously. 30 grams of stevia or your erythritol or whatever you use. You have to stir continuously so that the double cream won't burn and won't make lumps. And also we need to have the liquid part of the double cream to be evaporated. I'm using an induction hub in this case, so I'm using power 4. If you have a gas powered hub, you may be needing less than 30 minutes. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I cut the video, so now it's 15 minutes already. Yeah, 15 minutes. You see, the double cream starts to get thickened, and yeah, you have to be patient in stirring. Maybe you will get less than 30 minutes. You will take less than 30 minutes. I have no idea. I would be really glad if you can tell me in the comments so that we can improve the recipe and we can make it more informative for people who do not have the induction hub. So keep stirring. You can see that the liquid part, the double cream liquid part evaporates, and the mixture gets thickened. I'm going to show you now. Almost 30 minutes have passed. I cut the video and I'm speed it up. Yeah. When 30 minutes have passed, you can put the 20 grams of ghee butter, or you can use the normal one. I prefer the ghee butter without the casein. After you put ghee butter or the butter, keep stirring so that the butter is completely melted inside the thickened double cream. And after those 3 minutes, you can turn the heating off. Yeah, as you can see now, I'm putting the condensed milk in a small bowl, and then you can put it apart to cool down, or if you want, you can put in the refrigerator. It will get even more thickened after this. And now that we made the condensed milk, we can add the other ingredient, another double cream, to make the cremino, the famous Italian ice cream. You don't need to whip first the double cream and then add condensed milk. Yeah, I have used 200 milliliters again. Another double cream portion. Yeah, you can see I'm adding everything inside a bigger bowl, and I whip it with the electric mixer. It will be, can I say, whip anyway, and you don't need to whip it firmly because it's going to go into the freezer, so it will get solid in the freezer. I'll speed up the video as well here so that I don't bother you. Okay, yeah, this is the consistency that you need to achieve. Now I've been using those ice cream stamps. Feel free to use whatever you want. And I didn't record the part where I melt the 800% dark chocolate and then I coat them in. I think this is something that you can do by yourself, so that to keep the video short. And then in the freezer, I will put now the pole, the I don't know how to say in English. I think the pole. Yep, the wooden stick. Yep, and then in the freezer. And then you can coat them with chocolate. That's it. So I hope you like the recipe. It's fully keto friendly, and the ice cream is really nice. I can't stop eating. I definitely have to make more savory recipes. The next one will be a recipe about stuffed biscuits, very famous in Italy. They are called grisby, Grisbi, with the stress on it, and they're really, really nice. I want to make them keto friendly for the 500 subscribers. I'm close to 500. Let me know if you like the video. Please comment it, and if you have any faults, criticism, please feel free to write it in the comments. Hope you like the video and the recipe. See you next time.